What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the server. Welcome back to another beautiful day in Los Santos. And today we got the classic, the beautiful. Oh, I just love this vehicle. The BF Club, inspired by the Volkswagen MK1, dropped back in Los Santos summer special, but it's primarily, like I said, based on the Volkswagen Golf MK1, specifically the GTI from 1982 to 1983. Only because it has the most horsepower out of that whole era of Volkswagen Golf, the MK1 series, at a blistering 110 horsepower, coming out of I think it was like a 1 liter 4-cylinder. The definition here of all show and no go here on the server, but it also gives me a great opportunity to show off how the sleeper system works. So once we give it a little walk around, we're gonna head down to Benny's down here and visit our man Renzu. He's got a little shop inside here, and we're gonna grab I want to say like a light turbo package, about 400 horsepower, and I'm just so excited for the new turbo system. As I was messing around with the code, I somehow enabled the immense turbo lag of like old school turbos. So that's going to be a really cool feature. Check out the GitHub if you want to grab that. But yeah, let's continue talking about the car. Released back in the Los Santos Summers special update. That is a mouthful. And I just so many customization options here. Rally inspired. Got the tape over the headlights. Oil cooler sticking out right above that front bumper. Always a dangerous task, because a small rock can do a lot of damage. If you know what I'm talking about, you got to be careful when you do run setups like that out in the public and the streets. Carbon fiber fenders, beautiful, just gorgeous. Got it here with the matching mirrors. Big old Wang Gang wing. Gonna need it for when we do get that extra horsepower. And just love the louvers. And I got that little blast pipe, just looking gorgeous. Got it here on the custom 5-spoke street wheels with the atomic graphics. And it's just a mean car. Like I said before, it's not fast. It is the definition of what a true sleeper is here on the Midnight Club Unlimited Handling mod. Tops out at around 100 miles an hour before any tuning. So with that said, let's get right into it. Cut off some traffic on the way there, get some horsepower. Maybe I'll show you a little extra. With that said, let's get right into it, and I'll see you in traffic.
Three, two, one, go!
There we go. Like I said, it's not a fast car when it's stopped, but we'll make it there. Just barely above highway speed. Yeah. Uh, uh. Good lord, that's slow. But let's get our fix here. We used to have NPCs here, but it causes too much lag on the server. Let's go with let's go all out. 800 horsepower on top of the 100 horsepower the little go-kart got. 900 horsepower. You're gonna need dirty money to purchase that on the server also. Ooh. Little bonus for everybody. We got a special sound selector built into the server. I was working that into the server the other day and just, you know, built this out. Shout out to who made these sounds? One moment. Yeah, big shout out to Legacy DMC for this specific sound here. Gonna swap the engine for the VR6. Drop that horsepower. Boom. 800 horsepower. It's a 900 horsepower car there. But it doesn't work like the regular GTA turbo. Kinda gotta let it build boost and then it just really kicks in. Watch out for that wing. You might get clipped. Oh, that's a cop. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Can't even sneak behind me. Hold on. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. That boost kick in. Clean. Clean. Oh! Saw it? Exit. Woo, what a run. See the difference after that the engine swap, so to say. Turn off the radio. Still looking clean. Sheesh. But anyway, if you like what you've seen, links for the mods are in the description as always. If you want to join me on the Discord, links for that is in the description. Or if you want to join us on the server, links for that it's also in the description. And I hope to catch you in the next one. Peace.